You spend days scripting, filming, and destroying your posture inside an editing software just to finish one single YouTube video. You drop the final export, hit publish, and then nothing. The view count is flatlining and your motivation completely goes out the window. It is brutally exhausting. But the game officially changed forever. What if you could take a raw audio file, paste your script, and let a command line AI handle your entire visuals pipeline in less than 10 minutes? No more dragging clips, no more searching for stock footage, and absolutely zero manual B-roll hunting. We are moving past traditional editing barriers because Claude Code can now edit your videos in 10 minutes, and it is completely revolutionizing how creators scale production. The magic does not happen inside standard video editors anymore. It starts right on your desktop. To make this work, you need to pull up your browser and download the dedicated desktop setup for Claude Code by Anthropic. Once you run the installer, your interface transitions from a basic chat assistant into a powerful localized workspace. But to actually bridge the gap between AI text models and automated video asset creation, you need to sync an external infrastructure tool. This is where Hikesfield comes into play. You pull up their backend dashboard, head straight to the Developer Integration tab, and copy the terminal deployment script. By executing this inside your system's command prompt, you instantly initialize the machine learning skills required to convert contextual concepts into high-definition visual storyboards. Here is the core technical pivot that most creators get completely wrong. Do not just feed the AI a raw text file and expect a perfectly timed masterpiece. The automated system needs physical coordinates to know exactly when to switch frames. To map this out correctly, you first record your raw vocal track. Take that clean audio file and run it through a high-precision transcription tool like TurboScribe. Instead of a basic text block, this extracts a perfect transcript tied to exact microsecond timestamps. This exact sequence is how you systematically unlock the next step, which is mastering how to edit YouTube videos fast with AI tools, the ultimate automation blueprint. When you have concrete timeline indicators like 03, 09, or 12 seconds embedded directly inside your text data, the AI engine can analyze your exact pacing and start mapping visual changes perfectly to your natural spoken words. Now you open the localized code interface inside Claude and prepare your core operational prompt. This needs to be highly specific. You write a command instructing the system to use the advanced image generation modules to render separate, horizontal 16:9 visual assets for every single timestamp marked in the text layer. The crucial trick here is telling the engine to automatically title each generated file with the corresponding timestamp number. When you execute the command, the AI simultaneously runs multiple background tasks, generating a complete sequence of tailor-made illustrations or hyper-realistic renderings that save directly into a structured folder on your device. You can customize the entire art direction instantly, whether you want a technical blueprint style, modern minimalist graphics, or classic hand-drawn art to match your channel's unique branding identity. Once the system finishes rendering your assets, you pull up a free timeline editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro. You import the folder containing your time-stamped assets along with your primary vocal layer. Since every single file name is literally a time marker, you do not waste a single second guessing where a visual belongs. You simply align the asset breaks to the matching spots on your main timeline tracks. To take the presentation quality even further, you can group the generated visual layers into a compound element, apply a subtle blending mode over a textured background, and drop a few organic transition effects. The entire production instantly transforms into a premium, engaging presentation that captures human attention without requiring dozens of hours of manual labor. Automating your production pipeline is the ultimate cheat code to scaling your content output without hitting creative burnout. If you want to keep winning the digital content game, mastering cutting-edge automation strategies, and building a highly optimized workflow that drives predictable results, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. We drop actionable execution roadmaps every single week to give you the competitive edge. Thanks for locking in today, and this is Online Business Solution.